Hi everybody, it's Marita here doing life, and today in my life I have a Wantable unboxing and try on for you. So if you are interested in seeing it, then stick around. Alright, this is the cardigan. I just kept on my white tank top. It does have the hood, as you can see in the back there. The cuffs are more ribbed, and then this is more of a soft texture. I'm going to stand on this little thing right here so you can see a little bit. It does have pockets. I'm just standing on a block. And it's a nice cardigan. Sorry, that was the cat. This is the front pocket cardigan in gray, size large. It's by Black Tape, and it is $65. So that is a little bit pricier than I think I want to spend right now. Alright, I will go ahead and tell you that I tried on both pairs of pants. They did not fit. I could get them buttoned, but they were quite snug. So I just saved you guys the having to see that. Alright, let me know what you think of this cardigan. I'm going to go put on the little baseball tee. Alright, this is a very basic, cute baseball tee with the camo sleeves. It is by Z Supply, and it is quite see-through. So I would definitely have to wear a tank top. You can even see the straps of the tank top right here. Step on my little thing so you can see how that fits. It's a little bit snug up here, but it's not a total no for me, just mainly because I am back on a weight loss journey, and I'm hoping that by spring this would fit really nicely. Well, as always, I can't hold on to anything, but it's the camo baseball tee by Z Supply, and it's $42. I do get my $21 styling credit back. All right, let me know what you think of the camo baseball tee. All right, the next top is this plaid one. I have it left open. It would be a little snug if I kept it buttoned. The arms are quite tight, and to tell you the truth, let me stand back here on my little thing I was standing on. It has a lot of stretch. That's what these side panels, I guess, help with, but I'm already quite large chested. I don't need to look any larger chested. Let's go ahead and unroll these and see what that does. So it's just like a 3/4 length sleeve. So if I kept this, which I don't think I'm going to, I would definitely just want it open, and I like it rolled up more than I like the sleeves down. Here's kind of up close the pattern. Let's see. This is the washed denim plaid shirt in Chicago, size large, and it's $58. The last top that I'm going to put on is the solid black, and I'll let you see that. This is kind of cute. I wish it, and it's kind of scratchy. It's not really, when I feel it this way, it feels soft, but on my arms, it almost feels a little bit itchy. So I'm not sure about that, but it is cute. I feel like it does kind of give me a waistline. don't know. Alright, this is the basic black. I did change it up and put on a pair of jeans I had down here. I try not to change, I don't do a lot of change of clothes, mainly because I have 3 flights of stairs to go up and down, and my husband works nights, so he's asleep. So I can't go in and out of my bedroom 100 times. That would disturb him. But this is the top. It is a nice fabric. I feel like it's a little thin, but I don't mind that, mainly because I can put, you know, a cardigan or something over it. But the fabric is really nice. It's long sleeve. It is the model long sleeve v-neck in black by the Wantable brand, and it's, y'all, sorry, my eye is watering. I'm not really sure why. I probably have makeup now under my eye from where I rubbed it, but this basic black tee is $52. I do not think I will be keeping this for $52. I mean, I can pick up a nice black long sleeve tee for way cheaper than that. All right, let me go put on my clothes and then we'll do a recap. All right, let's do a little bit of a recap really quick. I went ahead and the necklace is back in here. $48 if I haven't said how much that was yet. The ankle black skinny jeans I did not do in the Tryon. They were a bit snug, so I saved y'all that. But they are really cute, and I really wish they would have fit. But, and when I put them on, I didn't notice in the original unboxing, they are distressed, so that's cute. I don't mind a little bit of distressing. And then they have distressing down here at the bottom as well. So those were really cute. I just hate that they weren't perfect. They are $68. Let's see, the next pair was these blue ones by Meritage. They are $88. I'm definitely not keeping these. Even if they were my favorite jeans, I probably wouldn't keep them just because, like I said, I'm on a bit of a weight loss journey and I don't need to be spending $88 on a pair of pants right now. I do like the cardigan. Where's the tag on this one? Does it have a Wantable tag? Somewhere, I think. I thought. Maybe not. Hang on. I dropped the little piece of paper, of course. Alright. The cardigan, $65. That is kind of pricey, and I did just buy that and a couple of boxes back a gray cardigan from Wantable, and I spent a pretty good chunk on that one. This I thought was gonna be my least favorite, and I kind of liked it. I'm gonna go and put it on and look at it in the mirror and see again and watch the playback to kind of see what it looked like, but it is $58. Then I really did like this little baseball tee. I thought it was really cute. It cost, it doesn't have the tag either, $42. And then this one is that just basic black long sleeve v-neck, and I think I said it was, yeah, $52, which I think is a ridiculous amount of money for a basic black v-neck. That's my opinion. So if I bought everything in here, the merchandise total, my eye is still watering, is $421. I would get an $84.20 discount. They do ads, you get 20% off if you buy 5 items, which that is one thing about Wantable, you don't have to buy all 5. They sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't have to buy all 7 to get the discount. I only have to buy 5 to get the 20% off. Sales tax for me would have been $18.52 minus my $21.10 styling fee, which would have made the whole box $334.22. But I'm not going to keep everything. I am thinking about keeping the camo baseball tee and the washed denim plaid shirt for $58. Alright, let me know what you guys thought of this box. Do you want to try Wantable for yourself? If so, you can click the link below and it'll take you right to that. I think your styling fee is waived, which is nice, and I get a little bit of credit as well. Alright, I hope everybody has a lovely day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. Click the notification bell so you get notified of all my future videos, which I'm going to give y'all a little bit of a teaser. I have a collab coming up, which I'm really excited about. That's going to happen on January 30th with someone really cool, and it is a clean with me. That's all I'm going to say. And then I'm also doing a vlog I'm trying the Peel a Pound. It is also in a collab with somebody very cool. So we're going to do a little bit of comparison and see how that good old cabbage soup diet worked out between 2 different people that are 2 different ages, 2 different sizes, just 2 different people. All right, I hope everybody has a lovely day. See you later.